How to send money from NexusPay Dutch-Bangla Bank to bKash 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you the correct way to move money from your Dutch-Bangla Bank account into bKash. Since NexusPay itself doesn't have a direct send to bKash button. NexusPay is Dutch-Bangla Bank's own mobile banking and card app, while bKash is a separate mobile financial service, and the actual bridge between the two lives inside the bKash app through a feature called Bank to bKash. Let's walk through it properly. Step 1. Open your bKash app and log into your account. Step 2. Go to the Add Money section and specifically look for the Bank to bKash option, rather than trying to search for a transfer option inside NexusPay itself. Step 3. Add your Dutch-Bangla Bank account as a beneficiary. This step typically requires you to have Dutch-Bangla Bank's internet banking service set up and linked, not just the NexusPay card app on its own. Step 4. Once your bank account is added as a beneficiary, select it and enter the amount you want to move into your bKash account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction with your bKash PIN or OTP, and the funds move directly from your bank account into your bKash balance. Step 6. Know that this transfer direction is genuinely free of charge on the bKash side, so you shouldn't be paying a fee to move funds from your bank into bKash this way. Here's a pro tip. If you only have the NexusPay card app and haven't set up Dutch-Bangla Bank's full internet banking service, do that first. Since the Bank to bKash beneficiary linking specifically relies on internet banking access, not just having a NexusPay card or account. So that's the accurate way to move money between Dutch-Bangla Bank and bKash, using bKash's own Bank to bKash feature. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more mobile banking guides, and let me know in the comments, were you trying to do this the other way around from bKash into your bank?